In this video, I will show you how to generate a professional and attractive YouTube thumbnails just by writing a text here that want to show on the thumbnail. We just write a text want to show on the thumbnail, then we have to select a niche here, so I can choose. Here you can see many of the niche here. For right now I will use AI and tech, or we can choose for the education. Here we can a dark premium or a bold viral. I will choose this bold viral, and here we can choose the color, and here we can face and headline and big text on the right or big text on the left. Here are many options, a 3 object story. I will choose this face and headlines. Then here many options. For right now I will choose YouTube thumbnail. Now let me clear. If you click here on the generate button, then the generation will be start here if you have OpenAI key. If you don't have any OpenAI key, then you have to click here on the prompt button. It will be generate a prompt for you. Copy the prompt, go for ChatGPT, select create image, paste the prompt, hit enter, and wait for your result. This tool is available. If someone interested to buy, you can contact us on Telegram. Here is the many colors we can see here, and also you can show a podcast and many others things here, or you can modify or make it sell as a service. Wait a moment to get the result. Here you can see our thumbnail is generated without any cost. Edit AI image with Canva, and here is the expression and is this bold text. That's it. If anyone interested to buy this script, contact us on our Telegram.